Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to my health channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the beginners out there, a beginner's guide to fitness. If you're looking to kickstart your fitness journey and get in shape, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. First things first, it's essential to stay hydrated throughout your workouts. Make sure to drink water before, during, and after exercise to keep your body fueled and prevent dehydration. Before diving into any workout, warm up your muscles to reduce the risk of injury. Spend 5 to 10 minutes performing dynamic stretches and light cardio exercises like jumping jacks or jogging in place. Now, let's talk about the different types of exercises you can incorporate into your routine. Cardio exercises are great for improving your cardiovascular health and burning calories.
Activities like jogging, cycling, swimming, or using cardio machines such as treadmills or ellipticals are excellent choices to get your heart rate up. Strength training is crucial for building muscle, increasing strength, and boosting your metabolism. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and gradually incorporate resistance training using dumbbells or resistance bands. Flexibility and mobility. Don't forget to include flexibility and mobility exercises in your routine. Stretching, yoga, or Pilates can improve your range of motion, enhance posture, and help prevent injuries. Now, let's talk about the duration and frequency of your workouts. As a beginner, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. Break it down into manageable chunks, like 30 minutes of exercise on most days of the week. Keeping track of your progress is essential. Maintain a workout journal or use fitness tracking apps to record your exercises, sets, repetitions, and weights. It will help you monitor your progress and stay motivated. Lastly, don't forget to cool down and stretch after each workout. Spend a few minutes doing static stretches to improve flexibility and promote recovery. That wraps up our beginner's guide to fitness. Remember, consistency is key. Start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Before starting any new exercise program, consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this beginner's guide helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay fit and motivated.